Good afternoon, sir. I'm Tian. I'm 24 years old. I would just like to take a chance just to tell you a little bit more about myself. I'm a young, hardworking man. I love taking up challenges. I'm a very adventurous person. I'm the type of person, if you need me to do something and I don't know how to do it, I'll find out how to do it and I'll do it to my full potential. My experience on the farming, I have 4 years of combined experience on farming. I've worked with soybeans the last few years that I've been busy with farming. So I was planting and I was fertilizing. I only have 1 year of experience in harvesting. And then mechanical wise, I know how to service the tractors. I've worked with tractors. If something is wrong, I'll find out how to do it and I'll fix it. And then I've worked with sheep and cattle on both of those sides. I've done injecting on the sheep and the cattle if they got ill. I haven't done anything more than that. It's only that type of things that I've done. And then I've worked with the John Deere tractors, the 7810, the 4455. So I would really like for you to give me the chance to come and work on your farm and show you my experience. I do have a little bit of handiwork in me, so there is things that I can fix and I don't mind working with my hands. So yes, thank you.